Welcome back to another episode of Fixing Junk. Here we got a Ninja food chopper processor thing, and I got called into the kitchen by the master chef saying that this thing didn't work, and this thing fell off. And it's got these little safety things here that no longer stay in there. I got it all together, but the red thing this thing doesn't stay in there. It just falls. I don't know what was holding it in. I can't find any. I found all these pieces in the drawer, but somehow. So what we're going to do here is we're going to put some little screws in here. We're going to make this permanent so we don't have the little thing here anymore. Now they got these little springs on here that keep them from going in. We're not even going to need those, so we're just going to throw those out. We're going to put this down in here where it's goes for a run. Alright, so we got some little screws here and a bag of stuff. Wow, there's some nice washers there. Look at those. I don't know what those are too. Some kind of shim. Oh, that might be from a kitchen faucet. I don't know. Oh, there's a nice grommet. Look at that. Got a Zerk fitting there, the old-fashioned Zerk fitting. A lot of good stuff in this bag. Good stuff. We got another bag of stuff somewhere. Hang on. Here you got some stainless steel. We're kind of free with stainless steel. Got some stainless steel screws here. These little tiny ones. How smallest ones we got now. Hopefully these aren't going to go in there too far. And it's important to use stainless steel screws there. And it's important to use stainless steel screws, I suppose. Alright, so we made a couple little. Now, when you're dealing with food equipment, you kind of want that to be rust proof. You got to make sure these are wallered out big enough, because you just want the when you're drilling into something with a motor in it or electricity, make sure it's unplugged.
She was out there.
Okay.
And I slipped up behind her and went, she ran behind the garbage can. She was
Okay. Trying to get this fixed for you. Sure enough, we need to. Yeah, this stupid safety switch up there.